Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. I know it's been a little while since I've done a video, but today I'm actually going to be working on a winter bucket list in my little mini size notebook that I have going on right now. And I picked out all these really pretty like darker greens with some icy blues. I went through a lot of sticker books trying to find those, so they're just kind of all over the place, and I have a huge stack of stickers just over here. And we're gonna make a winter bucket list. Not necessarily a Christmas bucket list. I'm just gonna kind of lump it all together like winter and Christmas. So I guess let's get started. I'm just going to get started by grabbing my stickers here, and I'm going to start trying to create like a really pretty garland up at the top of the page by layering some of like these leafy florals, I guess is what they would be called. And I'm also going to be adding in some flowers. I just basically picked everything that was kind of in that icy blue, green, tealish kind of family that I could find. And I'm going to start layering it all together again to kind of create that garland. This is going to be my winter / Christmas bucket list. I'm just kind of mashing them together in one thing. And I'm going to add a few icons to kind of look like little ornaments hanging from the garland here. And what else? I'm going to add a little banner. Some of these are from the Simply Lovely. Some of these are from the Free Spirit sticker book. So they're kind of from just different random sticker books. I pulled from whatever I could find. And I'm just going to build it up to make that garland. I'm going to add in some flowers and everything like that. And I'm also just going to write in my own activities and activities that I know we actually do. Like, we don't go ice skating. We're not those people. So I'm just going to just fill it in with activities and stuff like that I know we actually do and enjoy doing every holiday season or every winter. What are some activities that are always on your winter bucket list? For mine, it's always like... we always like to watch holiday movies and order pizza on Christmas Eve. That's just like our thing. We've done that for years and years and years. And so now that I have all of that built up, I'm going to start adding some of these really pretty diamonds and some of these icons to kind of hang off of it like ornaments almost. So I'm going to build up those little areas here, and you'll see some of these icons are from the Free Spirit sticker book, the purple Free Spirit sticker book. And I'm just kind of do a little bit on one side of the page and then do just a little bit on the other side of the page so it's nice and balanced. These little diamond icons were perfect. I absolutely loved those. I actually really enjoy doing my little seasonal bucket lists. I don't really do a lot of seasonal planning, I guess. I do like 1 or 2 fall spreads, a Christmas spread, and then I'm all about Halloween, and that's really about it. So getting to do like the seasonal bucket lists and things like that are always really kind of fun to me. So now that I have my stickers in place, I'm just going to draw a line that connects them to my garland here, so it does look like they're hanging from them. So I'm just making sure everything is kind of lined up. Some of them are going to be a little crooked, but that's okay. We're just going to roll with it. So just like that. And again, just making sure everything's nice and connected. I'm going to add one more diamond over here to the other side. These diamonds are from one of the accessory packs that has like the unicorns and the purpley stuff going on. You know the one I'm talking about. But anyway, so I'm just going to take a washi roll that's relatively small, and I'm going to trace the inside of it, and it's going to give me my areas for my little, or my writing area. My mind just totally blanked right then. It's going to give me my little areas to write in, but it's also going to kind of resemble hanging ornaments. So I thought that was kind of cool. I think I end up doing like 5 circles for my little bucket list items. And again, I'm just tracing the inside of the washi circle. And then I'm actually going to take some more icons and little dots, bullet points, stickers, and kind of place them around those so it kind of looks like they're all hanging together. Again, just bringing in more of those icy blue colors and things like that. I am also going to be adding in a few of these diamonds and everything like that. And then once I have all of those in place to kind of where I like them, I'm going to draw lines connecting those to my circles. And then I'm going to connect the rest of my circles to my little garland I have going on up at the top of the page here. Now that I have everything where I want it to be, I'm going to take my pen and start connecting everything to the top here. We're not going to have perfectly straight lines, but that's okay. And I'm just going to connect everything so it looks like hanging ornaments. So I'm just going to fix a few things, and then I'm going to finish drawing in my lines, making sure everything is all connected and it looks like hanging ornaments from my little garland I have up there. And then I'm going to actually fill it in off camera with my activities because it took me an unusually long time to fill it in. So this is what it looks like once it is all complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. I'm going to pop this back into my little notebook, and bye guys!